up, everybody? It's Brapaholic.
Brapaholic.
You like that intro, dog?
So
Wheelies is over there listening to Top 40, everyone. At least I don't hear a shit ton of wind noise from him, so I guess that's good. What are you jamming to right now?
Trying to listen. Hold on, I'll tell you.
I don't know what that is, but... What's going on, guys? Brapaholic here with my boy, Wheelies, as usual. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. We're going out for a nice little cruise. I've been practicing my hooking and my shift locking and one-handing lately. Still pretty rough around the edges, but we're making progress. We're getting there. I'm probably gonna work on the shift lock a little bit more today and see how that feels now that I'm actually a little more comfortable taking the hand off. So we'll see how that goes today.
The problem with filtering in the state that it is illegal in is people will try to kill you.
I don't fucking care. Are you gonna go, dude?
Too busy looking at me in his fucking mirror.
I can't make that, dude.
Don't worry.
You waited way too fucking long. Yeah, like, I hate when people just, like, continue to sit there.
Ready to go.
What? Oh.
Go.
That one sucked. Of course you're going slow. It's a chick. That's the worst part about Saturday riding. There's just so many idiots on the road. I mean, that's what's funny is, like, I was about to do my ex-girlfriend, I was about to change her oil and fucking do her brakes and shit.
Yeah.
Nope. You're gonna have to pay somebody to do that shit now. Enjoy your $70 oil changes. Scootin', bro. Don't honk at me, Scooter, bro. I'm not gonna wave at you. Oh, God. That's what I was afraid of. There's so many side streets around here. Yeah, I know, but so many people, when they're turning right, they don't even look to the right. They just look left.
Definite women.
They are, dude. All of them are.
That's what they're taught nowadays.
I didn't feel as secure as when I'm hooking. I don't know. It's supposed to be even more secure, though, because you're still on the peg and shit, too.
Yeah.
Almost all the chicks I match with on fucking, like, Bumble have conservative in their profile. I'm like, oh, tight.
Yeah.
Probably because I don't really swipe on blue-haired chicks with septum piercings and shit. I was about to do it and I started going off the road. The shift lock's weird. You just gotta have to tell yourself, like, don't let off the shifter. Like, stay on it. And dude, find me a nice Florida biddy, nice Florida blondie.
Yeah.
Perfect. God, I hate fucking Saturdays.
Everybody wants to go slow over the lake, bro.
Yeah, dude. For no fucking reason. Just because
No fucking reason.
I didn't... Yeah, let's keep fucking braking for no reason. Gas brake, gas brake, gas brake, gas brake. Yay, this is fun. I like to drive. Jesus, dude.
That's why I said I want to wait.
Holy shit.
Give it a second now.
Oh my god. This guy's slow.
We should be
I can't even get into fifth. I don't have time. Well, when you're in front of me, no. This guy got for sale. Oh, some ramps, some jack stands. It's good shit, dude. Holy shit, look at how slow this fucker's going.
You going?
Do you see this? Do you see this?
We're going in front of him.
I can't like lean my shit back if I want to shift lock, but I don't think I can do that with fucking hooking either, so. That's like where I need to let my hand off, and I'm so scared to do it up that high. I need to go for it. Don't fucking hit me. Oncoming car. That didn't really look that fast.
It was only 150.
Okay. And you gotta stop drinking soda, Cowalicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit's bad for you.
Good for you, bro.
It's really bad for your teeth, too, man.
Good thing I don't keep it in my mouth. It goes right into my stomach.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah. You do have a habit. Oh my god, they waved at me.
Fuck yeah, dude. Amish bro is my pro. Oh shit, my bike's broken.
Oh shit.
Shit.
You do it up here for the Amish.
Where's he at?
They're usually right before the corner.
Do you see any? This is
There's
Amish.
people on this porch.
There is?
Kitties on this porch right here.
Look at these cows! Oh, that one you got spooked. I'm sorry, cow, bro.
Yeah, you gotta hold it up, bro. They're on that white porch here, right?
I waved at him in a wheelie. Yeah. I looked over at him and I saw the little boy just staring at me in a wheelie, and I was like, yeah, dude.
He's gonna leave his family.
Yeah.
Be a moto right?
Rumspringer, he's gonna like be a fucking hardcore supermoto dude one day. That'd be sick. 50 years old, and I'm gonna open a magazine and it's gonna be like, the Beaverton Amish boy who went pro. And I'll be like, wait, what?
Yeah.
He'll be like, yeah, one day I was just chilling on my porch when I was like 6, fucking churning butter, and this dude on a white bike just came by, did a wheelie, waved at me. I was hooked. As soon as Rumspringer came around, I was out of here. I traded my butter for a 50cc, and the rest is history.
But it's just, because like, it makes it feel like you have power.
There's so much poo on the roads.
Oh my god.
I should stop and tell that little Amish kid to sub to my YouTube, dude. Damn it, dude!
Yeah?
You got in my way!
Okay.
That was the first one. I was actually gonna put my hand back on and keep going.
Like, somebody's great idea was to fill in the corners with gravel.
Fuck yeah, dude. That's ingenuity. Oh god, my bike's broken.
Oh shit.
I don't know what keeps happening with this thing, dude.
There's a shit selling.
It's a biker, bro. I was just gonna say, dude, he's getting that downhill. Cycling just sounds like the worst hobby in the world. I can't imagine just constantly having cars like on my ass. It'll be good. We're good.
Ready?
Yep, there's an oncoming car, so be careful.
Alright, I'll stay in your lane.
Yeah, I'm off the road, so you're good.
Holy shit!
Please don't kill me. Gotta say, Cowalicious, that probably looks way fucking cooler than when I'm on the bike.
That was like 165. I literally came off the ground because I went over a bump.
It definitely looks a lot fucking cooler when, like, you're coming, it's just like so steady all of a sudden, then all of a sudden it's like really fast. Faster than I've ever gone.
I need to go faster.
I don't have have that desire. Wheeling. That kid's gonna have a broken collarbone in a week. Coming from the pump.
I was like, what the fuck?
Do you want me to switch to regular?
Totally, bro. That's what I put in Kiwi.
Yeah, I'm looking for food. I'm going through social media.
Arby's, Wendy's.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Well, we're driving to Florida then.
Let's go. Pack.
You'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen?
I get hit by a girl?
True. Definitely possible. Let's go. Up ahead.
Oh, I see him.
Well, they'll have to catch up because they didn't pull out.
They didn't pull out. I was gonna say, I don't think they're gonna go right there, dude.
They pull out?
Should I do a wheelie?
Yeah, good idea. Do that.
Alright, we're good.
Let's go.
Cowalicious with the sketchy pullouts, getting the group split up right away.
I could have drove a fucking freight night in there.
I know you could have.
Camp Rotary, Mazda.
Camp Rotary, Mazda Bros.
That's funny how Chad's like, yeah, we're not taking the highway. It's like, bro, we have the super.
Yeah, it's like, bro, you know I don't go on the fucking highway. Oh shit. Oh god, the girl's following you. Good luck. Oh god, my bike's broken.
Was she following me?
Yeah.
I'm just trying. I never saw it. Yelling at each other.
It's a biker, bro.
Biker, bro.
Oh, jeez.
Wow.
Should I do it, dude?
Whoa.
Should I fucking do it?
No, I wouldn't.
Should I fucking do it,
I
bro?
wonder if someone wrecked. I think someone wrecked if they're all pulled off here.
Hey, nice FZ09 right there. Someone wrecked?
Yeah, someone wrecked.
Oh shit. Damn. Get the clickbait. Yes. I got the bait, dude.
That's what I think that maybe he was all excited for, was just telling us to slow down if there was a wreck.
Well, I'm fucking excited.
Jump off the road.
Woo!
One of the Harley guys couldn't keep it around the corner. That's why I don't care through there, because it's not a gravel, isn't it?
It was a Harley that was spilled in. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It was like tipped all the way over.
Oh, okay.
We've got reportable wheelie. He like shows up and there's like people dying in the fucking ditch. He's like, where's the wheelie guy? Go, 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 go.
Really? Gonna jump on his trailer, bro?
So look at these bikers. Oh look, dude, they're playing Hobbs and Shaw at the theater.
Oh,
Want to go see it?
that.
Yeah, let's go. Oh my god. I remember when I bought a diesel to go slow as fuck. Do people just do this to us on purpose?
I don't know. He's going way under the seat on
Let's go.
Ridiculous.
This is the guy that sees me all the time. Show the twist of the wrist. Watch out, dude, go faster. I'm like fucking on your ass. And I'm like, dude, speed it up a little, please. We thought you guys were gonna go around that slow. No worries. Going fast because I'm going fast.
There. Yeah, I told you.
Let them lead for a sec. Yeah, dude.
See, that one deserves a moment.
Thank you. Thank you. Because I let off of it and I was like, fuck it, I'm going for the swing. It feels comfy. Huh?
I didn't even hear you fucked up. I looked over and I was like, oh.
That'll do it. Is it a cop? Try it. Drive like my kids live here? Okay. If you say so. I hit. I could have held it up, but I don't like doing it on this road, dude.